Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So Shomu sir, what are we discussing today?
It's a very easy question, Harshal. I mean, I would even consider this to be something on the easier side of the sitters. So let's just read the question. So we have ABCD a rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius 13 centimeters. So that is given to us. Which one of the following pairs can represent? So it's not a definite thing we are looking for. Which of the following pairs? So we have to check the options. Can represent the possible length and breadth of ABCD in centimeters. So just assume the same. So a centimeter, everything is in centimeters. So ignore the unit out here. So let's just draw the circle. I mean, you don't have to draw this. I mean, if you can visualize this, it's very easy. But let me just show this if anybody is not aware of it. My bad. One second. Yeah, let's just draw it in this way. Now, the thing is, if you are aware of the basic concept of circles, I mean, any chord which subtends an angle theta on the circumference will subtend an angle of 2 theta on the center. So if I consider the diagonal of a rectangle, which is inscribed in a circle, now the diagonal is subtending a 90 degree on the circumference, right? Meaning it should subtend 180 degree on the center, which means in turn that the diagonal would be the diameter of the circle. If it subtends 180 degree on the center, means it's passing through the center, right? So this is the diameter of the circle and the radius of the circle is 13. So the diagonal of the rectangle should be 26 centimeter, isn't it? So we are trying to figure out a possible side pair, length of sides pair, which will lead to a diagonal of length 26. That's it. So if you're aware of Pythagorean triplets, so for example, if you're aware of the Pythagorean triplet 5, 12, 13, 26 is double of 13, right? So if I take double of 5 and double of 12, then this should also be a Pythagorean triplet. So if 26 is the hypotenuse, I can take the two sides as 10 and 24, right? So that satisfies the answer.
Okay. This was, I won't say even this straightforward. This was, as you said, on the easier part of the sitters also.
Yeah, as I said, I mean, and more importantly, you don't actually have to draw this. If you are aware of this concept, I mean, this is a concept we actually discuss in a lot of different problems also. I mean, it's not a concept you have to mug it up, but the thing is, because it's a very straightforward understanding, if you have practiced good enough number of questions in geometry, you should be able to visualize that the diagonal will subtend 90 degree for a rectangle, because interior angles of a rectangle is 90 degree, right? So the diagonal will subtend 90 degree on the circumference if it's if it is inscribed in a circle, then obviously the diagonal has to be the diameter of the circle. So you don't have to draw this. I mean, the radius is 13, so the diameter is 26, meaning the diagonal is 26. So 10, 24, 26 will immediately hit you if you're aware of Pythagorean triplets. If you're not, just test out, I mean, using the options, I mean, root over 10 square plus 24 square, root over 12 square plus 20, which of these are giving us, or rather, I mean, 10 square plus 24 square, 12 square plus 24 square, 9 square plus 25 square, which of these are giving us 26 square? That's it. I mean, maybe you don't have to test everything. Maybe the last digit will be enough. So for example, let me show that if you're not aware of Pythagorean triplets. So you're trying to justify which is giving us 26 square, right? So if you are not good with squares also, suppose I'm taking the worst case possible. If you're trying to evaluate which of these are satisfying, for instance, I mean, this can be straightforward eliminated. This is an even number, this is an odd number, cannot add to an even number. This is out. If you check the last digit, this is 0, this is 6, right? 4 square is 6. 0 plus 6 can be 6 square, that is 6. So this is a possible one. Don't mark it, I mean, because you have not calculated so far. This is 2 square, this is 4. So this is 4 and this is 6, right? So 4 plus 6 ends with a 0. Cannot be this. 9 square ends with a 1. 5 square ends with a 5. 1 plus 5 ends with a 6. So this is also a possible one, right? Just test these two, which is satisfying, and you get the answer. So this will be a little tedious, I mean, but if you're aware of Pythagorean triplets, you don't have to do these kind of stuff. So yeah, Harshal, that's it from my end.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this question. Thanks everyone for joining in.
If you haven't yet checked the full playlist containing this video, then check the description for the direct link. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our daily questions, tutorials, and problem-solving sessions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update. In addition to our daily questions, we also offer comprehensive preparation for CAT and other management entrance tests. If you're looking to excel in these exams, we highly recommend checking out these courses in our website. To get a taste of what our courses have to offer, we invite you to take a free demo. The demo will give you a glimpse into the quality and effectiveness of our teaching methods, study materials, and practice resources. You can find the relevant links in the description of this video. Have a nice and successful preparation ahead. See you in the next one.